Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley if you are tuning in for the first time, and today I recorded a TikTok. So if you want to see my TikTok version of this look, you'll be able to find it on TikTok. I am Ashley Bedeck official there. Also, the star of the show is the wig itself. So this one comes from Myfirstwig, and of course we did a straight out of the box install for beginners. This one came as sort of a beautiful 10-inch bob with a beautiful two-tone color to it. You have your Swiss lace, you have your dark root to make it like brown girl friendly safe, but you have this beautiful brown blonde highlight vibe that is so complimentary to my complexion, and I'm sure it'll complement yours as well. So if you're interested in seeing the install, keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Now let's jump right into it.
Yeah, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down till I burn out. I just wanna live fast, I don't wanna look back and say I could've done more than I did now. Sometimes it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard when you grow up. People fill you with doubt, you start thinking about what you're gonna do now. But we only got one chance and got one life to live, and it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down.
Let me level with you, let me be in your crew. I just wanna be free, be with people like me. I'm so not in the mood to be broken and blue. I just wanna go dance, baby find me some romance. I don't wanna talk tonight, I don't wanna waste another night. I just wanna hit the floor, maybe somewhere I haven't been before. I don't wanna kill the vibe, I don't wanna feel it if it don't feel right. I just wanna break the ice. There's so much more to life than tears. There's so much more to life than fears. All I want is a night off, all I need is a night off. All I want is a night off. Ooh. Take it away, take it away, take it.
My baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you know, I see you. My baby, you know, I ride with you. My baby, I don't cover that, I die for you. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord, gonna greet the Lord. I pray to the Lord, Fatumata Jambele, everything being safe again, everything for your Jambele, oh Jambele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me.
Baby girl, you're so fine, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah, ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex, dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah, ooh girl, nah nah. Fly me up with dreams, the only thing I need. When I'm down, lift me up with your company. There's no telling what you and me creating. We're on the same wavelength. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, like you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation, make my life vacation. When we are together, I surrender. Give you all my money, make you look so lovely, never feeling lonely. Baby girl, you're so fine, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah, ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex, dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah, ooh girl, nah nah.
Hey Google, turn off thermostat.
Got it. Changing the living room to off.
Okay, love bugs, I'm so proud of myself. I went ahead and finally officially created my first little TikTok. So I got this tripod off of Amazon, and of course this is my business phone, so it's easy to like keep it ready to go while I'm using my regular phone to watch my favorite crime investigation shows. But the star of the video is this wig here. You can find my little TikTok version of this install on TikTok. I'm Ashley Bedeck official. Right now I have Ashley Bedeck, but I am locked out of it. So right now I'm just Ashley Bedeck official. Once I can get out of TikTok jail, hopefully I'll be able to take my name from my other account and put it on this account. Hopefully that makes sense. Anyways, I went ahead and did a quick install featuring Myfirstwig. Now you guys already know the key to it, the finesse of it. The amazing thing is that what it is in the name. Myfirstwig is the best hair company in the game for beginners, and that's because they have quality hair and you'll be able to install it at home by yourself even if you are a beginner. So I love sharing some of their new products with you as often as I can, just because literally like a lot of their wigs you can just cut off the lace and you don't even have to wear it with like it bonded down, and if you do, you just have to use like minimal adhesive, and as you guys can see, the hairline and everything is flawless. I did add a little baby hair on this side, which I kind of feel like I could have did without. It gives a little bit of a classy vibe on this side, and then it just gives, you know, a little bit of ratchet on this side, which is my vibe. So it is what it is. And the great thing about doing baby hair is that like today, if I do it, I'd regret it, or I just want to switch it up, I can send it back and I'll just use my wax stick to kind of just like, you know, add just a little bit and just comb or brush it back, and it's gonna blend in like it never happened before. The color in this one looks amazing against my complexion, so I am definitely here for it. Anyways, with the box and packaging, as I mentioned, this is from Myfirstwig, and inside they did include the dust bag, which I believe has a wig cap in here. Nice brown girl friendly wig cap. The dust bag, of course, is reusable, and of course my favorite way to keep up and store my wigs. They are celebrating 7 years in business, so this one does have their logo here as always, and then here it just says 7th anniversary www.myfirstwig.com. so go ahead and show them some love for being in business for 7 years. That is a goal and an accomplishment these days, because you guys know it is hard to stay in business for anybody. Also in the box, they did include the Fly Away Tamer. And then also they had this little reusable pouch, which I love these. I have like 15 of these easily, and that's an understatement. So the bag is reusable. The logo is on both sides, and then inside they did include 2 of these nice dolphin clips, as well as, let's see if I can get it out, a rat tail comb, and this one usually has their website and their logo here. This is perfect for the summer because it's off your neck. It'll be cute with some boots and a little trench, a little Gucci poncho in the fall and winter seasons. And it definitely is great quality and will last you a while. So if you would love to check this one out, I have it linked in the description box. You'll also ever find all the details, all the tea to everything that was included in this video, including that tripod for my TikTok videos. Thank you guys so much, and I appreciate you guys so much for rocking with your girl. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.